Hola amigos, welcome back to your Spanish classes with the Spanish Maestro. I'm Sir Ahmed Raza. Today we are going to do a very special class again on the sounds of the Spanish alphabets, okay, and pronouncing words correctly. Many students and many new Spanish learners cannot pronounce Spanish words correctly. Pronouncing Spanish is really easy. It's I think the easiest of all the languages. Each alphabet in Spanish has a special sound. That sound never changes in any word in Spanish. So once you learn the sound of each alphabet in Spanish, you will never commit a mistake in speaking Spanish or pronouncing Spanish words. This lesson will be divided into 4 parts. We will go through the sound of each alphabet separately. I'll explain the sound of the alphabet to you, and then we'll do various words with that alphabet, how each word is pronounced, so you get a very good idea of how to pronounce Spanish words. Once you master the sound of the alphabets, you will make no mistake in pronouncing Spanish words. You will become an excellent Spanish speaker. You will be able to pronounce Spanish very, very well. So let's begin the class, my friends. Today is the first class in a series of 4 classes which we will do on the sounds of Spanish alphabets. So let's begin the class, my friends. The first one is A. Okay, this is the equivalent of the English A. The Spanish A has an A sound. You have to open your mouth wide to pronounce this alphabet. A. Okay, some examples are Arco. Arco. Arco means an arc. Alto. Alto is tall or high. Okay. Alto. Amigo. Amigo. Amigo is friend, of course. This is a very famous word. Amigo. Ala. Ala means a wing. Okay. Ala. Amor. Amor is again a very important word. Almost everybody, even non-Spanish speakers, know this word. Amor means love. Okay, or to love. Abuela. Abuela. See, I'm pronouncing the U separately, the E separately. Abuela. Abuela is grandmother. Aceite. Aceite. Aceite is oil in Spanish, okay? Aceite. If I say it fast, it will sound aceite. Okay, then we have the B. B's have the same English sound. Basically, it has a bay sound, as in boca. Boca, the mouth. Okay, boca. Bala. Now see the A's I'm pronouncing as bala. Bala. Bala is a bullet. Barra. Barra is a bar. Okay, una barra de chocolate, a bar of chocolate, etc. Okay, barra. Bueno. Bueno is good. Okay, now again, bueno. I'm pronouncing it in 3 parts. Bueno. Bueno if I say it fast, okay? Then barrio. Barrio. Okay, barrio means a neighborhood. Okay, so barrio. And bola. Bola's like a ball, okay? Like una bola de nieve, a snowball. Okay, then we have the C. Now C I've divided it into various parts, because with C we have a change in sound depending on the alphabet that follows the C. Okay, so I've done them all separately. So please understand this carefully. This is very important. CA first. Okay, CA has a Ka sound, as in camisa. Camisa. Camisa is a shirt. Cama, cama is a bed, okay? Cama. Cara, cara is a face. Cara, okay? Cara can also mean expensive in Spanish, okay? For feminine nouns, feminine objects, cara. Okay, so camisa, cama, and cara. Then we have the CO. CO has a co sound, as in cosa. Cosa, cosa means thing. Okay, coma. Coma means to go into a coma. And costa. Okay, now you see they all have k sounds. Costa, costa is the coast. Okay, so cosa, coma, costa. Then we have the CU. CU has a ku sound, KU sound, ku. Okay, as in cupo. Okay, cupo means like a part. Okay, like un cupo, like a coupon even. Cutis. Cutis is like the texture of the skin. Okay, cutis. And cura. Cura is a priest. Okay, or cura comes from curar, to cure. Okay, so cupo, cutis, cura. Okay, the next ones. CE. Now with CE and CI, the sound of the C completely changes. CA, CO, and CU, we had a k sound. CE and CI, we have a s sound. Okay, a hissing sound. Okay, as in CE has a SAY, say sound. Okay, as in cera. Cera means wax. Okay, cera, cerro. Cerro means like a hill. Okay, so cera, cerro, cerámica, cerámica. Okay, so cera, cerro, cerámica. If you can't pronounce long words, try and break them where you have a vowel. That way it will make it easier for you to pronounce it. Like here, cerámica, ceramica. Okay, then we have the CI. CI has a C sound. Okay, as in cima. Okay, cima means a peak. Cita. Cita means a date. Okay, like a date with somebody. I have a date with my girlfriend today. Okay, tengo una cita con mi novia hoy, o con mi amiga hoy. Okay, cita. Circo. Circo is a circus. Okay, so cima, cita, circo. Then we have a CL. Okay, clima. Clima. This also has like a K sound. Okay, clima. This goes into this category. Okay, clima. Clima means climate. Okay, now let's do the D, my friends. D has a very soft sound in Spanish, like de. Okay, it doesn't have the harsh English D sound. Okay, so de, dedo. Okay, dedo. Dedo is a finger. Okay, so we have dedo. Debate. Now here again I'm breaking it into three parts to make it easy for you. Debate. Debate. Debate is a debate. Datos. Datos. Datos are like we say I have information. Tengo datos. I have I exactly can't recall the English translation of this. Is let's just go on to the next one. Okay, it basically means information. Datos. Duda. Duda means doubt. Okay, I have a doubt. Tengo una duda. I have a doubt. Debate. Datos. Duda. Dormir. Dormir is to sleep. Okay, dormir. Disco. Disco is a disc. Okay, diva. Diva is a diva, just like in English, okay? Diva. And divino, divino is divine. Okay, so let's go over it once again. Dedo, debate, datos, duda, dormir, disco, diva, divino. Okay, then let's go to the E. E in Spanish has an A sound, okay? These two alphabets in Spanish are confusing, the A and the E. A has an A sound in Spanish and E's have the English A sound, okay? So be very careful with this. So E's are pronounced A as in echo, not eco, okay? Echo, echo is same as in English, okay? Echo. Elena, 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 elefante, elefante. Emma, Emma, this is the name of a girl in Spanish, okay? Enemigo, enemigo is enemy, okay? Enemigo, enemigo. S, okay? S is. Esta, okay? Esta, this. Esta mesa, this table. Esta camisa, this shirt. Okay, then we have esta. Esta comes from the verb estar in the third person conjugation, okay? Él está bien, he is fine, okay? Or Juan está bien. Then we have este. Este means also this, okay? Esta and este. Esta is the feminine version of this and este is the masculine version of this, okay? So A. Then we have the F. F basically has the same sound as the English F, okay, as in fama, fama. Remember, now see again, I'm pronouncing the A's as R's. Fama, fama, okay, fame. Farol, farol is like a street light, okay, a farol. Farol. Fácil, fácil is easy. Okay, now here we have an accent mark. How do we pronounce accent marks in Spanish? We pronounce accent mark putting a stress on that alphabet, okay? We stress that alphabet where we have an accent mark in Spanish. I've already done a class on accent marks and what do they mean, how are they used. So if you don't know about accent marks, you can go back and have a look at that lesson. Okay, so where we have an accent mark, we emphasize that alphabet, like this will be pronounced fácil, okay? Fácil. Fruta, fruta, fruit, okay? Fácil is easy. Fruta, fruta is fruit. Firma, firma is the signature, okay? So firma. Fama, farol, fácil, fruta, firma, okay? We have the che. Okay, che is again part of the C. Okay, some people consider che as a separate alphabet in Spanish. Some people now basically the concept has changed. It's not considered as a separate alphabet anymore, but previously CH was considered as an alphabet called che. It has a che sound, okay, the C and the H together. As in chatarra, CHA has a cha sound, okay? CHO has a cho sound. CHE has a chi sound. CHI, sorry, has a chi sound. CHE has a che sound. So the first one is chatarra, okay? First one is chatarra. Chatarra is junk, okay? Chatarra. Like comida chatarra, okay, junk food. Comida chatarra. Chatarra. So it can mean scrap as well, okay, scrap. Chatarra. Choza. Choza is a hut. Okay, choza. Chico. Chico in Spanish has two meanings if you recall. Chico means a boy and chico means small in the masculine version, okay. Un libro chico, okay. Un chico, okay. Now what does un chico mean? A little boy, un chico. Chimenea. Chi, okay, chimenea. Chimenea is a chimney. Okay, chimenea. Chévere. Chévere means, chévere is a word basically used only in Central American countries. In Puerto Rico, it's used a lot. Okay, you won't hear it in Latin American countries. Chévere means like, they use it like divine, great, okay. Fui a una fiesta muy chévere. Okay, I went to a very joyous, a very enjoyable party. Okay, chévere. Okay. Chupete. Chu, C-H-U, chupete. Chupete is a lollipop. Okay. Chupete. So, C-H. Chatarra, choza, chico, chimenea, chévere, chupete. Okay, my friends, so this was our class of today. Okay, the sounds of the Spanish alphabets. So please master these sounds. Once you master these sounds, you will never make a mistake pronouncing Spanish words, because these sounds will never change in any word. Okay, my friends, very shortly we'll do the second part of this class with another 6 or 7 alphabets and their sounds and examples. So keep following my classes, my friends. Please subscribe to my class. You will learn Spanish very fast, and if you have any comments, any questions, any doubts, please leave them in the comment section. I will gladly answer them for you. Thank you, my friends, for accompanying me in this class. I'll see you again very soon. Hasta luego, amigos.